Okay, I just wanted to do a quick little mini lesson on how to change the theme as well as add a video or image to your slides presentation for this project. So themes, uh, they kind of make or break a PowerPoint, whether or not I'm interested or the information looks good. It a lot of times depends upon how my slideshow looks. So what you can do is you can write, you just press slide and you go to change theme, and you're able to kind of change up, the vibe of your entire presentation, and that alone can do great things to boost your, you know, I call them style points, right? The other thing I wanted to show you was that you can add videos and pictures, and then also how to cite them. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to insert a video, it's as simple as writing insert and then video. So if I wanted to do it by a link, for example, this is the website that I found, and this is the video I want to show, and I can copy that link and paste it in here, and it found it for me. Isn't that cool? Okay, so I'm going to paste it in, and it will now be on my slide as information for the people that are going to watch it. And then the other thing that you can do, instead of creating Works Cited page, if that's not something you want to do, you can also write in the speaker notes, like the video was found at this site on YouTube, and then say, for example, I want to add a picture of a turtle. Okay, I can use this picture here, for example. And this would be the website that I took it from, right? So I would copy this because that is my source. And again, I can put it just in my PowerPoint as the source for my picture. And then I can take whatever picture I want. So say I want this one, I'm gonna copy image, oops, and I can paste it directly into my slide. Okay, so I just wanted to kind of briefly go over that, give you an example of how to do it, and also how to add those links so you can give credit appropriately. I hope that this helps. Thanks.